This video is to show how easy it is to swap out one buckle for another with this belt. The buckle is held on by these Chicago screw threaded posts, and they're easily removed with either a standard blade screwdriver or these T15 star-shaped driver screwdrivers. I prefer the star-shaped driver just because it's not likely to slip out of the slot like a regular screwdriver. One thing to consider is when you swap the buckle out, the replacement might be longer or shorter than the original buckle, which will change the belt size a tiny bit. On the belt sizing, there are 7 holes of adjustment, and your waist size is the center hole, and you have 3 holes of adjustment on each side of that that are spaced 3/4 of an inch apart. So it's pretty forgiving. If you change to a little bit bigger or a little smaller buckle, it's not that big of a deal. One other thing, you might want to put some Loctite on the threads if you don't intend to swap the buckle out later, just to keep the Chicago screws from loosening up over time. There's no Loctite when I assemble and ship them out, just because you might want to change the buckle later on.